The Taxonomic Thesaurus in our Herbarium Specimen Data Portal, CCH2, is the backstage list of scientific names and how they connect to one another. The Taxonomic Thesaurus is what allows us to select scientific name from a drop-down list when conducting a search, and it allows the result of that search to include all the synonyms of that taxon. To edit the Taxonomic Thesaurus, you will need to be a Taxonomic Thesaurus editor. We will grant you these permissions once you create a username in CCH2. To access and edit the Taxonomic Thesaurus, you can click the sitemap from our home page. Then, under Taxonomy, click the Taxonomic Tree Viewer. If you want to edit the information for a specific taxon that already exists in the thesaurus, search for that taxon in the taxon search box. Click Display Taxon Tree, and then scroll down to the location of that taxon in the resulting list. Click the pencil icon next to the taxon name. On the next page, click the pencil icon in the top right corner of the taxon profile. Now you can edit any of the fields in the taxon profile page. The unit name 1 is usually the genus, unit name 2 is the specific epithet, and unit name 3 is an infraspecific epithet. The abbreviation var or subsp should go in the first box, and the infraspecific epithet should go in the second box. You can also edit the taxon authorship, rank name, and provide any notes or a source of the taxonomic name. The locality security field allows you to select whether locality data will be publicly shown for this taxon. Locality is generally restricted for rare and threatened taxa. To edit whether the taxonomic name is accepted, click the Taxonomic Status tab. Then click the pencil icon to the right of Synonyms. If you are changing a previously accepted name to be not accepted, you will have to enter the name of the new accepted taxonomic name. It's also best to provide a reason or citation for this change as well. Then click the Change Status to Not Accepted button. If you are working with a not accepted taxonomic name, you can either link this name to a different taxonomic name if it should be synonymous with a different name, or you can change the taxonomic name to be accepted with the click of a button. In the Taxonomic Status tab, you can also change the parent taxon of the taxonomic name. This means the taxon that is one rank up from the taxonomic name. For an infraspecies, this would be the species. For a species, this would be the genus, etc. As always, click the pencil to edit this information. The Hierarchy tab will help you determine whether the taxonomic name is properly placed in the Taxonomic Thesaurus. The children taxa are the taxa that are one rank below the taxonomic name you are viewing. If you want to add or remove a child taxon, you will need to go to that taxon's page and change it in the Taxonomic Status tab there. Lastly, there is the Delete tab, which is pretty self-explanatory. We recommend not using this tab unless absolutely necessary. You can only delete a taxon when there are no specimen records linked to that taxon. You can remap all these specimens to another taxon first, but again, you should make sure you're absolutely sure it's necessary to delete the taxonomic name before doing so. If you want to add a taxonomic name, go to the Taxonomic Tree Viewer and click the green plus sign at the top right corner of the page. You will need to enter all the information we previously described. In this case, you can copy and paste the whole taxonomic name into the taxon name field, and CCH2 will try to parse out the different unit names, but make sure to check that this has been done correctly. You should also be careful that the taxon rank field is correct for whatever taxon you are entering. If you are entering a synonym of another taxonomic name, click Not Accepted and enter the accepted taxon for this taxonomic name in the appropriate field. If you get an error that says parent taxon doesn't exist, that means that the parent taxon, the taxon one rank above the one you are entering, is not yet in the Taxonomic Thesaurus. You will need to enter that taxonomic name into the system first. For example, you may need to make a new entry for the genus and a new entry for the species. Those are the basic functions of the Taxonomic Thesaurus in CCH2. Thanks for watching!